Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the first problem of exercise 2.3 from the polynomial chapter. So let's get started with the first problem. Question number 1. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So they have given us three sets of numbers or equations or polynomials, say p of x and g of x. We have to divide the polynomial p of x by polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the case. So let's move on to the first one. P of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x is equal to x square minus 2. Moving on to the solution, p of x is equal to x cube, which is equal to minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x is x square minus 2. Now I am taking x square minus 2 outside and the x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 outside. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. By division, I get x minus 3 as the quotient and 7x minus 9 as the remainder. The first term of the quotient is x cube by x square, which gives us x. So we write x as the first term. And the second term of the quotient is minus 3x square by x square, which gives us minus 3. That is what we have written here. So we have the quotient q of x is equal to x minus 3 and the remainder, that is r of x, is equal to 7x minus 9. Moving on to the second question, that is p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and g of x is equal to x square plus x minus x. Moving on to the second one, p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and g of x equal to x square plus x minus x plus 1. Now x square minus x plus 1 is the divisor and x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is the dividend. So the first term of the quotient, that is x power 4 by x square, is equal to x square. So by that, the second term of the quotient, x cubed by x square, equals to x. That is what we have written here. Till now we have got x square plus x. In the next step, that is the third term of the quotient, minus 3x square by x square. The x squares gets cancelled and gives us minus 3. So x square plus x minus 3 is the quotient and 8 is the remainder. Therefore, the quotient of q of x is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and the remainder, that is r of x, is equal to 8. Moving on to the third question, that is p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x is equal to 2 minus x square. Moving on to the third question, you get x square minus x square plus 2 as the divisor and x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 as the dividend. So the first term of the quotient, that is x power 4 by minus x square gets cancelled and you get minus x square as the first term of the quotient. Then in the next step you get second term of the quotient to be 2x square by minus x square. X square gets cancelled and the second term is minus 2 and gives us the quotient minus x square minus 2. So by that, the quotient, that is q of x, is equal to minus x square minus 2 and the remainder, that is r of x, we get it to be minus 5x plus 10. So we have finished solving the problem. In my other video, you will find the solutions to the remaining problems So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.